How to install the Discover Bank app on iPhone. Want to manage your credit, checking, or savings account right from your phone? Here's how to install the Discover Bank mobile app on your device. Start by tapping the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen. Now at the bottom right, tap Search and type in Discover Mobile. Now hit Search. Now tap on Get button. Now use the Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to confirm the download. Once the download completes, tap Open to launch the Discover app. Now you can log in using your Discover card or banking credentials. And that's it. You are now ready to manage your Discover account on the go securely and conveniently. If this tutorial helped, tap the like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below if you are using the app for checking savings or your credit card. Thank you for watching.